Welcome to our van life with our 3 chihuahuas, episode 79. We took our dogs and our storyteller overland to Lake Louise. Our breaths were taken away by the surrounding majestic views. Come explore this magical place with us, and thank you for watching.
Just got into Lake Louise after parking. Sun is coming up right over those mountains, so we're gonna catch the sunrise on Lake Louise. Just paid for parking, and I'm gonna go get Pia and the dogs. Lots of vans, lots of RVs, and the lot is full by 7 a.m. We got backpack for Chewbacca at sunrise. The famous Lake Louise, and lots of people. Wow.
Lake Louise is part of Banff National Park, situated in the Canadian Rockies at Alberta, Canada. Its turquoise water is glacier-fed, surrounded by majestic mountains with the Fairmont Hotel overlooking the lake. You can go canoeing here in the summer and ice skating in the winter. There is a tea house that you can hike up to, but we didn't go this time around since our little dogs are with us. This place is so magical, and we hope that you're able to visit here too.
Here's where the water comes in. And there's the Fairmont, famous chateau. What do you think so far, Pia?
I feel like I'm in magical land.
Yeah, it does feel like it's a different land. I think that's part of the allure of this place, especially right now at sunup. Doing a big construction project. Sun coming up over. What a beautiful sight at sunrise. We found out it's powder created from the glaciers, and it brings out the turquoise blue to our eyes. It absorbs light from the glacier snow. So there's a bunch of trails that you can do here that are pretty decent size. If you want to spend the whole day doing trails, and I'm sure there's some amazing views all around this lake. But with our puppies, we are sticking to the lakeside trail. one pro tip, definitely if you're gonna come to Lake Louise and you're staying nearby like we did at the campground, get to the parking lot by 7 a.m. We got here before 7 a.m. and it filled up almost immediately. So whatever you need to do, get into the lot fast. Once you get parked, you essentially just go pay at a pay station, put in your driver's put in your need coffee still. Put in your driving information for your car, and basically you're off and running. 21 bucks Canadian, not too bad. Get a little temperature check. Ooh, yep. That's ice cold. You would not want to go swimming in Lake Louise. So this is the end of Lake Louise. Right up against some big cliffs and in the shade of the valley. So looks like there's a little bit of ice remnants over here. Either ice or sand. Might be just the powder from the glacier, because I think that's sand. Let's see, you can see the powder kind of floating in this area. That's glacier powder. Have taken down a layer. It's getting warm up in here, back in the sun. Just finished the lake trail all the way to the end, and the trail of plain of 6 glaciers was next. That goes to a tea house, so that was another like 4 or 5 kilometers. So we decided to come back and jump in the car and get some breakfast. That has got to be cold. Only person we've seen swimming so far. That's a polar plunge right there. Multiple people doing polar plunges and lots of canoes.
Just finished our Lake Louise trail walk with our 3 dogs. It's absolutely beautiful here and starting to get warm now. Probably around 60 something degrees. So we're gonna head back to camp and then make breakfast and then find our way to more lakes and then head into Banff, into town.
Yeah, and we got here about 6:45 into the parking lot. There's plenty of parking, but it filled up quickly, and it is now 9:45. Plenty of time to take a walk around the full lake trail, take a lot of pictures, videos, And this trail is about 2 kilometers, so definitely get a little exercise and leisurely stroll with lots of good views. So it's a great morning. Definitely recommend it.
So we will see you soon, and we'll take you on some more journey.
She's posing.
Bail is
She's even
observing.
got her tail up.